Another example of a question that's a little bit more difficult for people with isolating the variables. So where do we start? We have an integer here on the same side as our variable. And again, the easiest thing to do is to get rid of the integer first. So we will add 10 on both sides and see what we have left. This leaves us with negative x over negative 5 on the left-hand side. That all gets brought down because the negative 10 plus 10 is gone. Over here, minus 19 plus 10 is minus 9. Because if it's minus 19 outside and it gets 10 degrees warmer, it will be minus 9. Now, we have right here the x and the divided by negative 5 and negative here, and if some people get confused a little bit, but the easiest way to think about it is to get rid of a dividing by negative 5 would be to multiply both sides by negative 5. So this is times negative 5 on both sides. So we times negative 5 here, and we times negative 5 there. It should be times. Dividing by negative 5, timesing by negative 5 gets rid of it all and leaves us with negative x on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, a negative times a negative is a positive, and 9 times 5 is 45. Now, we're not done yet. A lot of people would think we're done. We've got it down to x is 45, but it's not. It's negative x is 45. So you have to think, what would you put in this space to make these two sides even? Well, it takes two negatives to make a positive, so we'd have to go, x would have to equal a negative, because two negatives would make the positive, and then the 45. So if we put this answer into here, it would look like this. There's our answer. There's the negative that was in front of it. Negative 45 is equal to positive 45. Yes, it is, and so this is the correct answer. You can also check your work by putting it back into the equation. Negative 45 divided by negative 5 is 9, and negative 10 minus 9 is negative 19, so it works.